Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by inspecting the suitcase to locate the root problem: shell cracks, wheel issues, zippers, or handle failures. Once done, empty the bag and remove loose parts so repairs are precise. This prevents hidden damage. Make sure to lay a drop cloth and assemble basic tools: screwdriver, epoxy, replacement sliders, and lubricant. You'll need to decide whether you're fixing cosmetic versus structural damage, because that choice directs materials and techniques going forward. Now you perform the complex middle steps. Start with the part that failed. For wheels, remove fasteners, compare measurements, fit the new caster, and tighten securely so alignment stays true during travel. For zippers, replace the slider, realign teeth, and use lubricant to restore glide. Test gently. For shell cracks, clean and sand, then apply epoxy or patch from inside. Clamp and let cure fully. Each step rebuilds function and prevents further damage if done deliberately. Finish by reassembling components and testing the suitcase loaded to typical weight so you can catch alignment or stress issues. Once reassembled, roll and lift the bag, operate zippers, and inspect seals. Make small adjustments like retorquing screws or adding internal bracing. If something still fails, document the symptom: squeak, wobble, misalignment, and retry the targeted fix. If problems persist despite correct steps, consider professional repair or replacement to avoid mid-trip failure.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.